Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. My name is Moniana Badru, your good tech savvy virtual assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you forms that will make your client onboarding process easier. Forms. Most of these online forms are free, and the best important thing about them, they're also secure. They're also efficient and user-friendly for you and your clients or employees during the onboarding process. This is why you should use these free online forms during your onboarding process. These online forms ensure that accurate data is captured. This helps in automation of data collection. To client or employees' experience is important when onboarding them. This helps in collecting information such as client preferences or employee contacts. These online free forms improve workflow efficiency. The next step, you need to choose the right online forms. When choosing your online forms for your onboarding process, there are things that you should consider. 1. Identify your specific needs. Do you require basic contact information, or do you need advanced forms with conditional formatting? So you have to choose a form that offers the features necessary to create effective onboarding forms. 2. Consider user interface. You should consider how it is easy for you and your employees or clients to navigate the form. Opt for a form with a visual form building tools for a seamless experience. A third thing that you should consider is the plan limitation. Most of these tools offer free plans, but most of the plans are limited. So when choosing a form, understand its free limitations and choose a form that aligns with your current needs and potential growth. So next, here are the forms that you can choose from as a business for your client or employee onboarding process. Number 1 is Google Forms. This is the number 1 free, most popular online form. Google Forms has a user-friendly interface, making it easy to create and manage even for those with limited technical experience. This seamless integration with other Google Workspace tools like Docs allows for effortless data transfer and organization. Google Forms offers basic logic branching, enabling you to personalize the onboarding experience to some extent by asking follow-up questions based on previous responses. And the best part about Google Forms, it's completely free with a Google account. While Google Forms are easy for usage, Google Forms might not be an ideal form for high complex onboarding processes. Its design customization options are also limited. Number 2 is Typeform. If you are looking to create visually appealing forms that capture attention, Typeform is a strong candidate. Its user interface is beautiful and engaging, with a variety of design options to personalize your forms and match your brand aesthetic. They also offer conditional logic branching capabilities, allowing you to tailor the onboarding experience based on user responses. Typeforms has a free plan with access to basic features, but be aware that the number of forms, responses, and integrations you can utilize are limited. When using Typeform, the free plan's limitations might become noticeable as your business grows and your onboarding needs also change. If you require a high volume of forms, numerous responses, or in-depth integrations with other platforms, you might need to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Number 3 is Zoho Forms. Zoho Forms also provides a free plan. It offers a good range of features that can cater to the needs of many businesses, especially those experiencing growth. Conditional logic branching is available along with mobile-friendly forms designs that ensure a seamless experience for clients or employees completing the onboarding process on their smartphones or tablets. Zoho Forms also integrates with other Zoho products, which can be beneficial if you already utilize their ecosystem of business tools. While Zoho Forms is generally user-friendly, Zoho Forms might have a slightly steeper learning curve and somewhat cluttered interface compared to some other options on the list. If simplicity is your top priority, you might prefer exploring other tools. Number 4 is Notion. When it comes to Notion, Notion is a multi-purpose project management tool, but it also offers forms. Notion offers a comprehensive workspace that allows you to create not only onboarding forms, but also databases, weeks, and project management tools, all within the same platform. This versatility can be a major advantage for businesses seeking a centralized location for all their onboarding materials and processes. Notion offers a free plan with limitations, but it can be a powerful tool for streamlining onboarding. Once you have learned its functionalities, Notion needs constant learning compared to some other options on the list. If you need a quick and easy solution for basic onboarding forms, Notion might be overkill. And the free plan also has limitations on features and storage, which might not be suitable for businesses with extensive onboarding needs. Finally, number 5 is Tally SO. Tally excels at creating quick and easy surveys and polls, making it a good option for gathering basic client or employee preferences during onboarding. The platform integrates with popular project management tools like Asana, Trello, and Notion, allowing you to seamlessly connect your onboarding forms with your existing workflow. A downside about using Tally SO is that its functionality is limited for complex forms with intricate branching logic. The free plan also has limitations on responses, so it might not be suitable for in-depth onboarding processes. What forms are you currently using in your client or employee onboarding process? I would like to know. And if you need help with building or upgrading your client or employee onboarding process, feel free to reach out to me. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.